Hey folks, AP here at Valley RV Supercenter. Today, I'm going to show you the abundance of bunkhouse floor plans that we have in stock. Here at Valley RV Supercenter, we got bunks on bunks on bunks. We got anything starting from 15 feet all the way up to 36 feet. Starting with our SLX 7s or SUV towable under 5,000 pound towing rating. We have our 15 foot, our 17 foot, and our 18 foot bunk models. For example, here's our 18 footer. So if those SLX 7s were a little bit too small and you have the ability to tow stuff that's 5,000 pounds and up, we have some of our mid-sized options, anywhere from 22 feet all the way up to 29 feet. They have bigger bunk beds, they got a little bit more space inside, sometimes slide outs, give you some more room, maybe suit your family a little bit better if you're a winter camper, being able to stay inside and actually move around. There's a bunkhouse floor plan out there for everybody. For example, folks, here's one of our 24-foot Jayco J Feathers. For another example, we have our 29-foot Jayco White Hawk. So folks, after going over our SLX 7s with you and some of our mid-sized models, we also have some bigger ones as well, something that might accommodate your family a little bit better. Maybe a separate bunk room is in need. Also, every single one of these trailers has a pass-through storage on it. Great timeout spot for the kids. What we're going to be going over is this nice big boy right here. It has a separate bunk room in it. Check it out. So starting in the back, we got this nice game room, maybe a mother-in-law suite, whatever it may be. Moving on to the kitchen living area, nice big slide out, U-shaped dinette, trifold sofa. This thing really is a sleeping machine. Kitchen area, spacious countertops. They do have drying rack cutting boards and a spacious bedroom. Walk around queen. Hey guys, we have lots more bunkhouse models in stock. More luxurious ones, smaller ones. We have a bunk floor plan out there for every single person. If you guys are looking for something and you guys didn't get to see it in this video, give me a call. Let me know what you guys are looking for. I'll be able to check out our inventory and let you know if we have something in stock. My phone number is 206-940-2770. Take care.